Breaking news, Trump is going to launch a Bitcoin Plus ETF, but the reaction of Bitcoin is kinda dull on this news. In this video I will reveal to you exactly what will happen with Bitcoin next, so keep watching. Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Samo from My Crypto Paradise and today is Giveaway Thursday. So in the end of the video I will share with you a beautiful, wonderful giveaway, so keep watching. Right now you are looking at ultra high time frame of Bitcoin. I will spend no time here because I have been diving deep inside of this price action in the previous videos. Right now, just for the context, we are about to analyze this price action, okay? Ending diagonal already finished. Right now we are starting the first A wave of this zigzag corrective pattern that is correcting the previous trend that we have catched from 19,500. So a beautiful impulse, and now we are about to start a zigzag. Just very quickly, the A wave of a zigzag is formed in an impulse mode that it subdivides itself into 5 waves, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and right now we are probably already finished the first wave. Let me zoom in to high time frame on a daily chart of Bitcoin. You remember this ending diagonal very well. You know, I told you here we will go up towards our major high time frame supply zone, then we will reject, and we did. Then I told you we will go up, and here we sold long positions as a third wave. Then I told you we're gonna go down. I told you we will stop right here, and the last wave I told you will be truncated, and that was basically the final wave of ending diagonal, the 5th wave. And after that we have finished the impulse from 19,500, the ultra high time frame impulse, and right now we are starting a new trend, a new impulse in an opposite direction, right? In a bearish direction. In the previous video, as you remember, I've told you this ending diagonal has this beautiful ascending trend line, and I do believe that we will in the upcoming days break below this ascending trend line of the ending diagonal pattern once again. And as previously it was acting as a beautiful support, as you can see right here, we will start turning it into a resistance by a bearish retest. And what you can see right now is happening exactly what I've predicted. We have broke below it one more time, and just few hours ago we have retested that into a bearish resistance. As you can see, we have more confluences here. It is not just the ascending trend line that is holding down, it is also this orange moving average trend line plus this resistance at 100,391 that previously acted as a support. You know that we have been analyzing this level very deeply in the previous videos, and I will turn it into a red color because you can see it is acting as a resistance right now. Because of the understanding of this bearish pressure with ParadiseTeam VIPs, we have been in the previous days only looking for some short opportunities. So as you can see, at the perfect levels we have been shorting some altcoins, and just today we have took a target free on this beautiful 8th altcoin that followed our trajectory perfectly. So back to Bitcoin, because you understand that the 5th wave basically finished the ending diagonal pattern. This structure right here is already the first wave of the impulse, right? Of the impulse in an opposite direction. So let's analyze this price action right now by zooming in into medium time frame. And medium time frame for us is for our chart right now. On this time frame we are getting confirmations for our beautiful swing trades that we share exclusively with our ParadiseTeam VIPs. And let's analyze this structure that helped us to understand that the 5th wave of the impulse on medium time frame and first wave of the ultra high time frame chart is finished, because you understand that the first wave of an impulse also subdivides itself into 5 waves, right? So it's like a fractal basically, which is absolutely beautiful. And because in ParadiseTeam we all master the Elliott wave theory, we can together, by looking at what the whales are doing, watching the sentiment, taking a look at on-chain data, and getting confirmations with other technical and fundamental indicators, all of this help us to create absolutely professional crypto signals that we follow with the best strategies and tactics. So let's calculate the impulse. You know that this was the truncated wave, right, of the ending diagonal, and after that we have started an impulse. So I told you in the previous videos, this was the first, second, third, fourth, and then we were waiting for the fifth wave. Right now, I do believe that the fifth wave is already finished, and I told you why. Let's zoom in into this price action and shift our focus on ultra low time frame. Ultra low time frame is for us 15 minutes on Bitcoin. As you remember from the previous video, I've told you this is going to be the price action with the highest probability. We cannot close above this previous structure, right? So I told you we can retest it, but we cannot close above this zone right here. And as you can see, what happened with the price action is exactly that. We have just retested this cluster, but we didn't close anything above it. That's why from a professional trading perspective, above this structure right here, it was a perfect opportunity to place a great stop loss with a beautiful risk to reward opportunity. Most of the traders, for some reason, what we see on Telegram, they are having very wide stop losses and very close sell targets. I don't understand what's the reason, because you cannot be profitable with this kind of tactic. Imagine this is your stop loss, this is your entry, and this is your take profit. That's what's most of the people are doing for some reason. Yeah, it's good, like 99% of cases you will be taking profits, but in one case you hit the stop loss and you basically give back all the profits that you have been very hardly accumulating for the past multiple months. So what we do is exactly the opposite. We believe that's the better strategy, where you can place your stop losses very close to the entry zone and you only take the trades where it's possible to exit at the maximum possible profit versus the stop loss level, right? So this is much better approach and probably the only one with which you can be long-term profitable. So right now, let's analyze what happened, ladies and gentlemen. You understand that the final wave, the fifth wave of an impulse, the same way as the first wave of an impulse, is also a motive wave. That means, unlike the second and fourth that are being made in a corrective mode, three-wave structure, the fifth wave, third wave, and first wave are being created by 5 subwaves. So let's calculate that. We got a first wave right here, second beautiful wave that stopped right here. Then we got the third wave, fourth wave that, as you can see, was a zigzag, right? 3-wave structure. And then a final fifth wave that finished right here but didn't broke below this previous low. So once again was truncated, and it seems like we are right now starting an ABC correction in an opposite direction. We don't know if it's going to be a zigzag or flat or triple zigzag, double zigzag. We just know it's gonna form in a corrective mode and it's going to be a 3-wave structure, right? So if I shift your focus on a daily time frame, basically it looks like this. First wave seems to be finished. Now it seems like we are starting the B wave. After that we will start the third wave. However, the second wave, I believe we can even go a little bit higher, just really to retest the beautiful moving average and $100,000 mark. What cannot happen is to cross any candle, daily candle above this level. Then discount would be invalidated. But if it's gonna work like this, we can drop by retesting higher or even from here already after we finish the 3-wave structure. After that we will start dumping down in the third wave motive structure that will take us towards $80,000. Then we have a corrective fourth wave, and the fifth wave will finally take us towards $77,000 to our beautiful major high time frame demand zone. So this seems to be the price action, ladies and gentlemen. To understand where the B wave of the flat or zigzag or some other corrective pattern will finish, we can take a look at our Fibonacci retracement tool. We can basically very easily analyze this previous price action right here. And as you can see, we are right now starting to go below the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. So we are waiting for some bearish confirmations. If there is going to be a bearish confirmation, this pattern can be actually an expanded flat where the B wave can actually penetrate the low of the A wave, and we can revisit this level right here at $95,000. For that we need to watch how Bitcoin is going to react now to this resistance. Are we gonna close the 15 minutes below and force some bearish structure on an ultra low time frame? If not, this is going to be the bottom and we are about to start the final C wave, and then we will start the third wave that will again take a form of an impulse, right? You already know about that. So I do really recommend you to go check out our MCP University, because you will understand much better the corrective mode and motive mode of the waves, and it will just make you a better trader. We have done very hard work for you to make sure you have the best possible education, and it's all free, just because we really want everybody who is watching us to be transformed from a gambler into a professional trader, and we are really doing maximum for it. That's why we have started the MCP free university, absolutely free, everything, the best possible education you can get on trading. So together with that, what do you observe on the market right now? We can actually see a probable bullish divergence, right? That's what's supporting the final C wave that we will start going up soon. So what does it mean? Bullish divergence is that the histogram of our MACD indicator is creating lower lows. However, as of now, the price of Bitcoin still didn't make any lower low. We are having a high low, right? So this is called a hidden bullish divergence. And what does it mean? It means that we are having a strong selling momentum, but the price is failing to follow the indicator. That means loads of people are selling, creating this momentum, but the price is not creating the lower low as the histogram does. That means somebody is absorbing the selling pressure, right? Somebody big. So that doesn't mean during these kind of conditions where we know that the bears are stronger than bulls that we will be looking for buying to make some profit on the C wave, at least not in the swing trading we are doing, but it will just help us to understand where we can take profits tactically. Always play tactically and have a strategy. If you don't have a strategy, then your strategy is to fail. And for the end of the C wave, it can either be truncated in terms of flat, but that's rare, right? So I believe we can hit this level at $99,000, and that will nicely confluence with the idea that we will one more time retest the moving average trend line together with all of these confluences that I have been telling you about, right, Paradisers? So one more thing, USDT dominance. You remember from the previous videos which I've shared with you 4 days ago, I've been telling you like the USDT dominance, it's also a great indicator not only for Bitcoin but for all the altcoins. If the USDT dominance is going to the upside, the money are flowing from the whole crypto market, not only from Bitcoin but also from altcoins into stable coins, into USDT. I told you, look at the structure, look at the same structure, it seems very similar, right? Fractals, remember fractals, everywhere are fractals, in the nature, in your body, and in the financial markets as well. So I told you, we are also at the support. There is a high probability you will start going up, right? And look at that, we are going up, ladies and gentlemen. So once we break this resistance, it will increase the bearishness even more. So you need to understand, if USDT dominance going up, that means everything is going down in crypto, not only Bitcoin, okay? Some strong, very strong altcoins can survive, but from a professional trading perspective, you always want to be with the strongest trend and you want to be early. That's why most of the people don't believe us when we tell you that we are going to $44,000, right? That's why right here we have been the only one taking profits on the long positions. Right here we have been the only one selling everything, right? Most of the people will realize that we are kind of bearish when we go right here, but that's gonna be the support where we will start basically the zigzag correction that will take us back. And basically most of the people don't able to make profit in the crypto market because they don't understand the price action, they don't understand the dynamics of the market. So make sure that you are playing it safe, ladies and gentlemen. And the giveaway is very easy. We will be playing for $50. I will send $50 to one of you. All you need to do is to tell me in the comment section below, and you know I love your comments, answer on this question. If you would have $1 million for spare, would you rather buy Bitcoin or Ethereum, and why? And I'm really interested in your answers. Together with that, share this video right now on one of your social media platform, subscribe and like this video. If your comment gets most of the likes, you will win that $50. Then in the MCP stream channel on Telegram, as always, I will share with you our contact, and if we will see that you have shared the video on your social media profile and your comment got most of the likes, which we will announce in the channel as well, you will win $50 instantly into your wallet and you can buy Bitcoin or Ethereum. It's not gonna be 1 million, but it will be something extra for you from my crypto paradise. So stay safe, trade safe, ladies and gentlemen, focus on shorts, don't try to fight the market with longs right now, and I will see you on Saturday. Cheers.